Imagine standing on the slopes of a volcanic mountain. The ground beneath you was shaped by fire, pressure, and time. Suddenly, you pick up two unusual stones. Could they be something valuable? Could they even be diamonds? Diamonds form deep underground, almost 100 miles beneath the Earth's surface. They need intense heat and pressure, and volcanoes sometimes bring them up through special pipes of rock called kimberlite. That's why volcanic areas are places of mystery and discovery. But diamonds are not the only treasures volcanoes can reveal. Rubies, with their fiery red glow, can also form in volcanic regions. These stones have been symbols of passion and wealth for thousands of years. Sapphires, often shining in deep blue, are another volcanic gift. Found in places like Sri Lanka and Madagascar, they can be hidden in riverbeds and soils created by ancient eruptions. They are among the world's most desired gemstones. Emeralds, famous for their rich green color, are also among the precious stones people dream to find. Though rare in volcanic rock, they have been treasured by royalty for centuries, from Egypt to South America. Other gems like garnet, topaz, spinel, and peridot are often born in volcanic environments. Each one has a story. Garnet glowing red, topaz sparkling yellow, and peridot shining with a green light, once called the gem of the sun. But not everything you pick up will be rare. Volcanoes also produce common minerals such as quartz, feldspar, and basalt. Quartz, for example, can look clear and glassy, sometimes tricking people into thinking it is diamond. Feldspar is one of the most common minerals on Earth. Yet it can show amazing flashes of color in certain forms, like moonstone or labradorite. Even ordinary volcanic stones can surprise us with their beauty. So how can you tell if a rock is really valuable? Experts use tests for hardness, transparency, and crystal structure. Diamonds, for example, are the hardest natural substance, ranking number 10 on the Mohs scale. Sapphires mint rubies belong to the corundum family, ranking number 9 on the Mohs scale. Emeralds, part of the beryl family, are a bit softer, around 7.5 to 8. These numbers help gemologists identify the real stones. Another test is transparency. Many gemstones let light pass through, while ordinary rocks often look cloudy. Experts also study the crystal shape under magnification to confirm the identity of each stone. Still, some stones require advanced tools for confirmation, such as spectrometers or microscopes. That is why professional gem testing is essential if you truly believe you have found something valuable. Throughout history, volcanic regions have given humanity some of its most precious treasures. From the diamond fields of Africa to sapphire-rich areas of Asia, volcanoes have shaped both the land and the fortunes of people. Even in modern times, gemstone hunters travel the world, exploring volcanic soils, rivers, and mountains, hoping for that one extraordinary find that could change their lives forever. But beyond wealth, gemstones carry beauty and mystery. A ruby glowing like fire, an emerald like the heart of a forest, a sapphire like the deep night sky. Each stone is nature's artwork, created over millions of years. Think about it. These treasures start as tiny crystals, hidden under unimaginable pressure, then carried upward by the explosive power of volcanoes, waiting to be discovered by human hands. So, when you find unusual stones in the mountains, it's not just geology, it's a connection to Earth's deepest secrets. Every rock you hold might be a chapter in the story of our planet. Whether it's a diamond, sapphire, emerald, or just a simple piece of quartz. Each discovery reminds us that nature hides wonders everywhere, sometimes in plain sight beneath our feet. And who knows? Maybe the stones you find today could be the beginning of an incredible journey. So stay curious, keep exploring, and never forget that the next step you take in the mountains might lead to a priceless discovery.